Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna walk you through a strategy which is MACD and RSI. So using these two strategies, how you can make some profitable trades. So in my previous video I have made how to read MACD charts, and I also mentioned MACD also called as a lagging indicator because it's supplying sometime a false signal. So to reduce the false signal to get a double confirmation using RSI. But this strategy, it's not the regular strategy what you're saying. This is going to be slightly different than other strategies. Please watch the video till the end to understand the strategy properly. Firstly, let's have a look at the overview of the strategy. So using this strategy, we only take a long position, or we are looking to place buy orders. We only trade the reversal, and the candles will be in the 1-day time frame. The stop loss will be lower than the previous low, so I will walk you through in the charts when I'm showing. And the target we use when the MACD line cross each other. So once you enter the trade, when the next MACD line cross each other, that is our exit point. So I'm gonna walk you through each and everything in the charts. So before I start the video, I have some few tips that will helpful for you to improve your trading skills. So when you're going to trade, when you are using a new strategy, or when you are learning something newly in the YouTube or anywhere, please don't use it in the real market directly. First, you do the back testing. Also, you try with the demo. Do a back testing at least 100 trades for the particular strategy, and master the strategy very well. So you need to master the strategy. Also, apart from that, you need to master how to identify the support and resistance or pivot points, which will be helpful for you to identify if you enter a wrong position, if your trade going against you, you know when to exit, or you know how to avoid, or you know how to survive those levels. So mastering the strategy is really important, and also do the back testing at least 100 times and use the results, see the results. And don't look for the strategy which has a 80 to 90% of accuracy. If you have a 50 to 60% of accuracy, that is a really good strategy, because if you have a proper risk management, it will help you to make a lot of profits. Because when you're investing, please use only 1% or 2% of your margin. Never invest 100% of the margin. So especially if you're beginner, so use only 1 or 2% of your margin. And if you're expert, if you already know trading, you can invest however you want, you can trade however you want, because if you're confident in yourself. If you're beginners, always use 1 or 2% of your capital. So always keep your take profit, your target 2 times more than what you're risking. So don't ever try to catch a small pips or small volatility. You always look for the longer volatility or longer trend, and also keep your take profit more than what you're risking. If you're risking 1%, keep your take profit 2%. So if you're losing 2 trades or winning 1 trade, still you can remain profitable. So this is why risk management is really important when it comes to trading. When you have even a 50 to 60% of the accuracy in a strategy, if you have the proper, you can generate good profit using this. And a final tips, always use a journal. So without journal, it's hard to follow or implement your skills, because when you have the journal, you can see those mistakes, or you can see those losing trades and losing your graphs. You can see and you can understand where it's going wrong, what need to be fixed. You can work on it, and you can change the strategy according to your experience. So this is how I trade, and I've been trading for the last 4 years. I quit my day job where I was working in Bangalore. So I just quit my day job. Now I involve myself in the trading, and I also teach people how to trade. So this is the tips I would like to give to the beginners and also the viewers who are watching this video. And now let's start the video. So this is the basic RSI and the MACD charts looks like, and as I told you, we only looking to take a long position, or we are looking to enter a buy order. So to do that, we need to get a first confirmation from the MACD. So make sure your MACD is already in the down, it's indicating a downtrend, and you can see this is where we're supposed to enter the trade, right? When the 2 line cross each other below the 0. And also you can notice the MACD line is a massive low. It's lower than the histogram, which indicates the price already dropping, is dropping enough. And also you can visualize the trend is it's a very strong bearish trend here. So you can see it's almost it's a lot of price drop here. So this is where we are looking for opportunity to enter a trade. Also we need a second confirmation, which is RSI. So RSI should tell you this is the where people looking to buy, because the price already dropped down to that oversold place. So we are looking where people will buy the stock. So this is where I could have entered this trade, and you can see the signal was generated by MACD was here, and also the signal generated here from RSI. And if you could measure this trade using our long position drawing tool, for example, the signal was generated here. Let's assume you could have entered the trade here, And exit, I told you we only exit the trade when the RSI cross each other, which is here. So technically I could have exit the trade here because this is where the signal was generated, so that day I could have exit the trade here. So you can see my profit is at 20% if I could enter this trade. And if you choosing a stop loss will be lower than the previous low. This is where I could have keep my stop loss, and you can see it is at 12%. 12% is a huge, but as I told you, if you invest only 1% of your margin, 12% is not a big amount, because if you're investing 10,000 on this trade, if the 12% of the 10,000 is 1,200, so you could have lose 1,200 and you could have make 2,000 of profit in this single trade. So this is how you can use MACD and the RSI. To understand this better, let's go to another example, which is HSCL. So in this example, you can see the stock price was dropping. So it was dropping in a long time. It was really dropping. It's huge. It is a huge drop. And also you can confirm that using MACD. The MACD, it is going lower than the histogram, and here it is crossing. So also you can see same time the RSI given you signal. So this is where the perfect entry for us to enter, because the price already dropped enough. So this is where we are expecting some reversal. So as I told you, let's take our long position drawing tool. And if the stock could have giving a signal here, this is the where I could enter the trade. And the exit, as I told you, this is where I could have exit this candle, and a stop loss lower than the previous low. So this is the low, the previous low what we are saying. So I could have keep here again 9%. And if you could follow this trade, your profit will be 74% on this single trade. It is hard to believe, but it is true. You can 74% on this single trade you could have make profit, because the trend is strong enough. The MACD given a strong signal, and the RSI give you strong confirmation. This is where we are looking to enter it. So this is how a trader is supposed to catch a long trends. So instead of going behind small pips or smaller trends, catching a long trend is really good. So this is how I trade. This is how I looking to enter a trade. I never trade every stock. I never gonna overtrade myself. I will look for the perfect opportunity, and this is not the only one strategy we follow. We have some other strategies as well, and those strategies are little technical and little advanced. It's hard to understand in the single video. So it needs a lot of time. It needs a lot of editing in the video. But this is the beginner's strategy. This is anyone can understand, because it is an easy one. It's not too technical. So you can keep your stop loss like lower than the previous low, and also you can keep your target here. And this signal, it is not every day you will get. You will get in a yearly 3 to 4 times in one stock you will. So this is the simple strategy that anyone can follow easily, and this is I trade, and I made good enough profit using this strategy. And this is how I trade, and I've been trading like last 4 years, as I told you, and this is the easy strategy that I'm showing. So this is the video for today, guys. Now hit the subscribe button, like the video, or drop us a comment, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.